Why would anyone eat a plain old boring waffle again when you can eat a Belgian waffle filled with any goodness you want? Eric Thies here for my incredible new PowerXL Stuffed Wafflizer. Now you can make restaurant-style Belgian waffles with your favorite ingredients baked inside, right in your own home. Just pour in your favorite batter, stuff it with whatever ingredients you want, then pour more batter on top. Close the cover and cook. In minutes, you'll be enjoying the best waffle you've ever tasted. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, dessert. With my incredible new Wafflizer, you can waffleize any meal.
Our family loves the Wafflizer. My husband stuffs his with bacon, egg, and cheese, and it's his go-to waffle breakfast sandwich. My oldest loves to stuff hers with fruit, and of course, my youngest loves to stuff hers with candy. Making a waffle with the ingredients stuffed inside creates an entirely different flavor. Every bite is just bursting with goodness. After using the Wafflizer, we can never go back to a plain, boring waffle again.
Struggling with your kids not eating vegetables? Just add zucchini to your batter, stuff with apple, cinnamon, and vanilla for zucchini waffles your kids will love. Here's the secret. The super nonstick waffle plates are deeper and larger than a traditional waffle iron, making it easy to stuff Belgium-style waffles with anything you want. Stuff a waffle with sweet cherry filling for a cherry pie surprise. Get ready to CHAFFLE your waffle. Fill the middle with scrambled eggs, ham, peppers, and cheese for a stuffed omelet. Waffleize chicken and waffles. Drizzle on the maple syrup. Delicious. Croffle your waffle. Fill with puff pastry. Stuff with raspberry jam, cream cheese, and fresh fruit for layers of flaky sweet goodness.
Not only are the waffles super delicious, the Wafflizer is just so much fun. Instead of Friday night pizza, we have Friday night waffles. We love looking up new recipes and adding creative ingredients. We just love it. When it comes to the Wafflizer, it's not just about the taste, it's about the experience.
What else can you waffleize? How about adding cinnamon buns and filling it with apples? Oh my goodness, look at this. Use pizza dough as the base. Fill with your favorite pizza toppings, then top. For the best pizza you've ever tasted, waffleize my famous meat pie. Layer crescent dough with meat, potatoes, vegetables, and top with gravy for a hearty meal you'll love. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, dessert. With my incredible new Wafflizer, you can waffleize any meal. Dip bread in egg and load it with fresh blueberries for stuffed French toast waffles bursting with flavor. Are your kids tired of the same old boring lunches? Now you can waffleize their favorite sandwiches loaded with their favorite cheese. In minutes, they'll be eating ooey gooey grilled cheese cooked to perfection. Forget about toasting your bagels. Waffleize them instead. But here's my personal favorite. Load your Wafflizer with taters, layer cheese and bacon, then top with more taters. Oh, that's ridiculous. What about a confetti cake waffle? It's a birthday surprise you'll love to wake up to. Here's an idea. Waffleize your leftovers. Stuff your stuffing with turkey and gravy. These are actual leftovers everyone will be looking forward to.
I don't know about you, but getting my family to eat leftovers isn't always that easy. With the Wafflizer, we waffleize them. It turns boring leftovers into meals my family's actually excited for.
When done, my compact Wafflizer stores in an upright position for easy, fast kitchen organization. And the super non-stick plates wipe clean easily. Now you can start waffleizing too. Call or go online now to order the 5-inch PowerXL Wafflizer for just 2 payments of $19.99. We'll even ship your order for free. As a bonus, you'll also get my amazing waffleizing cookbook filled with quick and easy waffle recipes, like chicken nugget stuffed waffles, my monkey bread waffles, my incredible sloppy Joe waffles, or my keto-friendly stuffed waffle. I'm so sure you're gonna love my PowerXL Wafflizer. I'm going to let you try it in your home for 90 days. If you're not completely satisfied, send it back for a full refund of the purchase price. Are you ready to waffleize? This offer is not available anywhere but here. So call or go online now to start waffleizing with your PowerXL Wafflizer.